Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here at the my garage and I'm about to install my crossbar to my Tacoma. Okay, this is my truck. So I purchased this in Amazon. We got two bar here, crossbar, I think left and right, and they give you a bracket, two bracket, and some screw and tools, hardware, and they give you include the silicone sealed for the screws. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we're about to install it here today. So we'll see. Let's go on top of the roof. So first we're gonna remove this cover here. Alright guys, after the cleaning up the surface that you're gonna put your crossbar, you need to expose the hole to put your hardware. I think 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 on this side. So let me see if I can poke it. Yeah, there you go. See, just do it like this. See, one. There you go. Okay, one. I think another one here. There you go. See the hole? And there's two here on this side. Windy. This part that you're gonna put your bracket to hold the crossbar. So this right here. So alright guys, we're about to install the bracket on the right hand side. So basically we look for R for the right and this for the right side, and this one is for the left side. So we're gonna use the small hardware that we have it here. So basically this one, I guess. Yeah, so we need two here, and we got some washer here. Okay, the washer 222. Okay, let's go up there and then we install this bracket here. Cool. All right, and we're gonna use the small screw to tighten this bracket here. All right. So we're gonna tie them up, secure it, and we got to do the rest. Okay. Yeah. That's good. Right. One, two, three. Okay, I need my stool. All right, we're done on this side. So now we have to do on the driver's side. All right. I'm done installing my crossbar for my Tacoma. Right, not too bad, too bad. Okay, it look good outside. All right, yeah, it looks good from this side. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video. It's easy to install. It took me like almost an hour to install it, but not bad. I like it.